You want to introduce it?
Introduce what?
You
recording?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So we're at the Sundial restaurant and Scaredy Pants over here, scared to go up the elevator. So we get ready to record a video going down. Wonder how this is gonna come out. Let's see. Just as soon as the elevator gets in, we'll see how this goes.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, so we're getting ready to go down.
Okay, I can't watch.
Okay, you got to watch.
Okay.
You got to watch. Come on, watch it. Look, just look. I got you. Look. Oh, look.
Okay. Okay.
Come on down. Ain't even fast.
Okay.
You're getting closer to the ground.
Okay.
Won't take a minute, but you can.
Okay. Oh, my little heart is pounding. That's how I know I can't fly.
I feel it too.
Can you believe it?
Ooh, heart beating harder than mine.
You feel mine?
Yes.
Oh, look at that little globe down there for Hard Rock Cafe. Isn't that cute? And you got plenty of pictures coming up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I could.
Okay, my ears are plugged up.
Yeah, mine is too. Could you say?
What?
Huh?
Stop it. Okay.
All right, you're back down to the ground. You're back now. That better?
Oh, yeah.
Now you can breathe.
We're still up high. Look how fast it's going. Oh, gosh. 72 floors.
Yep. And we're just on number 5.
I survived. All right. And that's what we're in right there. Over and out.